Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. The Vivo T4x runs the updated firmware, and the 5G SIM is provisioned. Once done, open Circle and accept requested modem and location permissions so the app can query the radio. Next, attach any external antenna if needed and position the device near the target cell to reduce noise. Make sure you record the initial signal strength, PCI and ARFCAN. Those values anchor your search and prevent wasted scans before you start active probing. You now run the Circle search by selecting Sector Sweep in Circle, setting dwell between 250 and 500 milliseconds to balance speed and sensitivity. Once running, enable narrowband SSB scans and decode BSI and SIB to identify cell identity and configuration. As the sweep progresses, rotate the antenna or device in consistent 15-degree increments. This gives you angular resolution. Make sure to log RSRP and RSRQ at each heading and mark the strongest beam because that's where you'll focus refined measurements. You finish by locking onto the best beam discovered and capture a 60 to 120 second trace to gather KPIs like throughput, latency, and handover hints. Once captured, validate neighbor lists, TAC, and S1/XN context if available. Run a small burst of test traffic to confirm real-world throughput. If things go wrong, first check Circle's permissions and modem state, then reboot the T4x and retry with increased dwell time. This often remedies missed SSBs or intermittent decoding failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.